So Thursdays, what I do is my cracked canvas journey, or my story, part of my personal, what's going on with KP. So I get a little bit personal. My financial journey, like yours, is a cracked canvas. It's not perfect, but it is a masterpiece in the making. A big part of my why is having my daughter full time now. And it's the best, most motivating reason I could ever ask for. See, we're adjusting to our new life. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a grind. But she's absolutely crushing it at school, acing her quizzes and tests. I'm hoping she's able to make some new friends soon at school, because the way her class is set up now, it used to be where she would be with different kids throughout the day. Now, her little 15 or 16 kids that's in her class that she starts out with in homeroom, they're the same fucking kids all fucking day. So that's kind of lame, and she's not real thrilled about it because she hasn't really clicked with anybody yet. But hopefully she's able to meet and find, I hope she's able to find at least just one new friend. I even reached back out to the school because they emailed all the parents and, about some kind of parent advisory council. So apparently I'm on the parent advisory council, which I got a meeting sometime next week, and I guess we're a part of making some, the all around wellness of the school and helping improve the school as a whole. So that should be interesting for me, attempting to give back and be involved with her and her school. That's what it's all about, building a life where we can both be free. These wins aren't soft or cute, they're just the fuel that keeps this fire burning, pushing us to work harder so we can make work optional. We can't do this for fun, we do this for our future. What's one win you've had recently, financially or otherwise, that's pushing you forward? Share it with the community. Let's get some engagement going. Thanks so much for watching. Boom.